Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Bella Branch DIY and you're watching Hometalk. Today we're going to wrap some holiday gifts without using any tape. And I'm all about recycling, so I'm going to recycle some holiday paper that I had from last year. Place your wrapping paper pretty side down. Grab your box and put that right on the edge. And you're going to flip it 1, 2, 3, and that's measured all sides, and then cut about 2 inches past that. After you do that, now we're going to take that wrapping paper and we're going to make a square. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. And then don't crease that one edge right there. Take your scissors and cut it into a square. It's okay if it's past that line. You can make it a perfect square or a little bigger. It's not really a big deal because you can trim it after. Now open that up and put it at a diagonal. Take your box and put it upside down and then slide that corner up until you meet both corners. And then crease it on the one side and then open it up. And then take the other side and you're going to flip that around just so I can make it easier to show you. And here's the tricky part. You're going to kind of accordion in both sides of the wrapping paper. It's kind of a little tricky. You kind of push it from the side. You'll see, you kind of push it in right there and it's going to make a natural accordion. And then fold it over. And there's some extra there, but we're going to trim that. Then at the top, you're going to make a crease on both sides, the distance of the width of your box. And the same accordion thing is going to happen at the top. This is a little trickier because you have to do it at both sides. You kind of press it in and it'll make an accordion and fold it down. It's really easy. It may seem a little tricky in the beginning, but you'll be able to figure it out. Then grab your scissors, and if you have any extra that's sticking out, you're going to want to trim that off. And now here's the cool part. You're going to make a crease on the end of that box, flip it over, and this is how you are going to get all the paper to stay. You're going to tuck that in, and that is a no tape gift wrap. How cool is that? But we're not done because we're going to decorate this. I'm going to take some red and white twine, wrap that around a couple times. You can do whatever you want that makes your wrapping your style. And then I took a little bottle brush tree, because I love those, and I decided that I wanted to add that in there. And again, I'm not using any tape or any glue. I'm just wrapping the twine around that, or it's kind of like a little bit of a string. It's more of a string. Butcher string, that's what it is. And then make that into a bow, and look how cute that is. And then you could add another bottle brush if you want, or just that one. Now we're going to do a second DIY no tape wrap, and this one is with a napkin. So this is going to be a gift inside a gift. So we're going to take a napkin and we're going to place our box in the center, and we're going to fold that over. And see, we're doing it diagonal again, and then kind of fold it so it's right at the edge right there. And then we're going to twist one side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to tie that. And then I grabbed some eucalyptus from my garden. I love these because they look like little hearts. And just trim to the size that you want and slide that in there. And then tie that off. I think this one's my favorite with the anthropology napkin because it's a gift of the napkin that's wrapped around another gift, which is so cool. You can find a cute napkin from really anywhere, even the 99-cent store, but look how cute these are. I can't believe there's no tape involved. No tape gift wrapping, it'll get you out of a pinch, and I just think they're so cute the way they turned out. I hope you guys loved today's DIY. What a cool idea, right? No tape wrapping. How easy is that? And until next time, happy DIY.